Snyder here. It is August the 23rd, 2012, 4:35 p.m. Pacific Time. Okay, so just a little bit of what I've showed you this once before, but I did a little realignment with the South America here. Let me just turn this off for a second. Okay, I showed that South America by using the weather patterns. I could relocate South America to this location at one period in Earth's history, right? Okay, by showing the weather patterns, we can see. It's been when I first did this alignment, the weather patterns were a little bit more defined, and I was able to really get it lined up. But I got it lined up right in the right spot right now. I'm pretty sure. Okay, so what I got to do is put this crater over the top. This is Mare Oriental, reversed and overlaid over the Earth, right here. Okay, so what this shows is that after now I didn't line this South America up to this. This was already in place. This crater, I had it already in place, and then I realigned the South America continent right there. Okay, and then put turn this on, which was already in place. Like I said, I just turned it on, and just take a look at the way it fits over South America in this location. I mean, it is so right there. I mean, if that doesn't prove that the moon's hit the Earth, or the moon, or at least the images have been falsified or something, I mean, I don't know what does. You can see the whole thing. You can see this right here. Check this part out right here. Look at that. That is a perfect print. Perfect print. I mean, it does not get better than that. I mean, I got a few that are just as good, but I got this one. I mean, it doesn't get any better than that. That is from an impact right there, and it still lines up with this. This still aligns with Australia there. Let me just turn this off for a second and show you how that aligns. You see this oval ring, the oval crater here. Well, it's kind of warm in here. Okay, so right there in Australia, we can see how well that aligns right there. Right there. You can see it right there. And then just look at the rest of the picture. I mean, you can see the whole. If you just look at it, I mean, just look at it. It's totally there. This all over here, everything fits right into Australia there. And then the impact center right here. Okay, we'll put South America back there. Just look how well it fits. I mean, you can't get past that. There's no way that's coincidence. The moon is bigger than they say. The moon's hit the Earth a bunch of times. And then, let me just show you this weather pattern here. This is live streaming weather. And I did this overlay last night. This is all done. All this work was done last night. So the weather you're seeing is right now. Okay. Now I'm not saying that it all fits. There's not much to see here, but what is here it does fit. Check this out right here. Look at this. See this right here? This shape or this cloud. I mean, I don't know if you can see that or not, but it has the same exact shape right here. You can see there is a line there. You can see it. Look at that. Then you can look at the rest of it. Look at this. This right here. The line cuts off right there. You can see that cloud. It cuts off. It fits right. This all fits in there really well. I mean, this goes here. I mean, I don't know how many more ways I can point it out that the moon's hit the Earth, or the pictures. Like I said, either the moon's hit the Earth or the pictures are falsified to fit the Earth. I mean, so. I mean, I've used the USGS maps. All I can say is if the map with the pictures they give us, the lunar pictures that NASA gives us, USGS gives us, all of the government agencies give us. If we're to go by those moon maps, then the moon has hit the Earth a bunch of times. It hits the poles. Is what it does. Is it hits the poles, and you can see there's evidence and proof of it all over. I mean, it's hit the poles up here. This has all been impacted. Every inch of the Earth has been impacted by the moon. All of these continents are created by moon impacts, or shaped by them at least. My opinion is that they're created by the moon impacts. And that's what creates the continents. The supervolcano that's created after the impact. This big giant hole right here, which is would be a supervolcano after it separated from the Earth, it would create a continent, and that's what it does. I mean, look at that weather pattern there again. That's like I said. I just did this weather the overlay last night, but you can see. Look at that weather pattern fit in there. I hope you can see that. And you can see when I put the South America back in there, and then I put this over the top, turn off the weather, we can see like this right here in South America. Hold on a second. Right there where it hits right here. See that on the ocean floor. The ocean floor, I don't know how that's kind of a confusing deal there, the way it moves, different layers move across top of other things. I mean, I can't figure that out, but look at this here, though. Look at this right here. Look at that right there. I mean, I don't see how you get around that. All this up here, look, this here, the lines and everything, it goes here. I mean, it's hit the Earth, and it's bigger than they say. And I know it's hard to believe, but not really. I mean, the moon's right there. If anything has ever hit the Earth, it's the moon, because it's right there in the sky. We can see it. I mean, it's so close. So if anything's ever hit the Earth, which apparently it has, all you got to do is take this crater, reverse it, and flip and make it larger, and it fits everywhere on the Earth, all over the place. So I mean, that crater, Mare Orientale, has shaped the Earth completely. Completely shaped the Earth. No way around it. So that's my video for today. If I find anything else, I'll definitely point it out. All right, have a good day.